Hello guys, welcome back to another one. As you guys can see, I'm working today in a Mazda 3 Speed or Mazda Speed 3. In this time, basically this um, whatever hatchback, whatever they want to call it, the power steering pump or electrical or something like that, it doesn't want to be soft on the steering wheel. So we're trying to figure out if it's something electrical or what it is, if it's power steering pump or what it could be. We have never worked on this car, so it's gonna be something brand new for us. I've seen a couple videos on YouTube about the pump being electrical and being fixed like that, replacing the electrical part, the motor or whatever it's called. So we're gonna try to figure out if it's the motor that has to be switched or if it's something else. Right now we're gonna be checking power to see if we got power on the pump. All right, guys. So we already test the machine, and over here in this part is basically like seize up. We're thinking that it would have been the liquid because all this it was wet and maybe it's corroded and stuff like that. So this it shouldn't be wet and it had oil on it and water. So we end up going to the junkyard and find a new pump. So in this pump, in this year, this one is a 2010. So it goes 2010, I think all the way to 2013, 14 like that. So somewhere over there. Basically, this car is with the plug. It's with this plug. The older style, which is 2009 and older, it got like the fittings for the like the brake lines and stuff like that. So this one is electric. So we're gonna be putting this pump. We're gonna find out if this one is good. If not, we got warranty. Well, no warranty, but like we can replace it with another one. So we got like 3 more in the junkyard that we got, you know, ready if this one doesn't work. But this one, it was the newest one that we can find. Why we got this one from the junkyard? Because this is brand new. It costs like $600. And another thing, another key point, this, yes, is a power steering pump, but this pump it used Merc 3, I think it's called. This one, you can use this one. It's a transmission fluid. It's not Merc 3, it's Dextron 3. That's what this type of pump uses. It doesn't use power steering fluid. By the manufacturer, which is Mazda, they're saying that this is the style that it goes with automatic transmission. I know it's weird. I was confused too, but that's why it says that it takes. So we're gonna be putting this one back and we're gonna find out if it works. Now we're gonna start and we're gonna find out if it works. We're gonna be doing a clearing of the coats to find out if we can lose a little bit more because it got a lot of coats for ABS. So we still have all these codes to find out what it is. So we already fixed this issue, but we still got more issues to go. So we're trying to figure out on the computer to see what else it has to be fixed so it can erase the codes. So we got a couple codes over here. Trying to see which one it can be related to that. So we need to figure out where is this one located at. All right guys, so we already cleaned a couple coats. We cleaned this ground, we cleaned that ground, but we're still having issues with the ABS connection or communication or whatever. So we're trying to figure out if the sensor is good or it could be the axle that is damaged. So we're trying to figure out what it could be. Right now, these axles, this car is coming from New York. So these axles, they are a little bit rusty. So we're gonna be cleaning them to see if we could do a better reading. We already cleaned the axle and we're still having issues with the ABS model or communication. So we're gonna keep digging around to find out what it is. If we find something, I will record it so you guys can see it. Alright guys, today is the second day working on this car. Basically we're still having problems with the ABS, power steering, that basically the wheel is a little bit hard to turn. So I was looking online and I was reading that the ABS model, which is this one, this style, it goes with the valves over here in the top. It goes by the steering wheel over here behind the battery. So basically right now we unplug all the lines, trying to find out the issue, which is right there. We got it connected right there, that one. That's the machine. That's the machine that it was in this car. I'm gonna be showing you with the scanner what it is doing. Usually with this scanner that I have, you can get to the ABS connection. So basically I go to Diagnostic, and then after that I go to the control unit. When I go to the ABS to read the ABS, look what it's telling me. Basically it's no communication. So if I want to go more deep on it, I want to go to, let's see, let me hit auto scan really fast. Okay, you see that one, powertrain? Let me see if it shows that one in the code that I'm looking for. This one is the code that I keep having. UO121 basically is a lost communication with anti-lock brake system. So basically it's not getting communicated with the machine. So we're gonna replace it with the one that I just had in my hand. Switch it with this one. I'm gonna show you something else so you can see that basically you can only swap the part. If you guys doing this kind of jobs, look at this number, and if the number that you guys are having is the same one from the junkyard or whatever you guys buy, I got this one from the junkyard, basically it has to match these numbers. You don't need to care about this one and nothing else. It's only these numbers. If you guys do have the same match, basically it's only a swap that you guys need to do. Basically replace the factory one with this one. We're gonna be connecting this one without any lines to see if this one works. Alright, we just swap it. So basically to test that machine, you don't need to plug all the lines and nothing like that. So I'm going back to the scanner. Like you saw earlier, I couldn't communicate with the ABS. So let's go and see if this one, it does communicate with the ABS. There you go. Live data. There you go. ABS You see? Dynamic stability control, which is the machine that we replaced over here. Hydraulic pump motor. You see? So now I can read everything. Speed sensors. Earlier I couldn't do it. So we're gonna be putting everything back, and then after that I'm gonna do that off camera. After that I'm gonna be showing you if it works. All right guys, so we're ready to put it back. I'm cleaning all the codes right now. So I only got 2 codes. So this is something else. This is for the AC. This is the sensors inside and AC. So this has to be fixed eventually. And this one is lost communication with radio because it got aftermarket radio. So we're gonna try the steering wheel now, and if it goes soft on it, that means that this motor for the ABS controls with that motor too, which is the power steering, everything together in one sequential. We will see. So we had all these lights on before, and it's soft now. See, before I couldn't do this. I had to grab it like this and turn it really hard. But now, look, with one finger. So that means that ABS controls steering, controls the motor and everything. So yeah guys, now you guys see how this system works. It's something differently than what I do with Hyundais, but I learned something new too. Alright guys, see you in the next one. Like, share, subscribe.